Iqalondanzi lemigomo yehlangano ebusako kuyithuthuko yamazwe ngamazwe, jukulula indlela ekuphilwa ngayo ephasini. Umhlolo wehlangano le kubumbanisa inarhakazi yeAfrika nokubumbana kwamazwe ngamazwe kunye namahlelo azoqinisa ihlangano le. Lileleke bona ihlangano le yenze bona imigomo yayo ikhambisana nemithetho yephasi ethuthukako ekulandela imiguruguru ye-Ukraine neRussia. Kuqalwe bona ihlangano le ichugulule eminye imigomo yayo bona iqalelele khulu iinrhuluphelo zamaSewula Afrika.
The key issues, one, which countries are strategic countries for South Africa, and that again goes to the issue of the economy, what business partnerships can be done. Also the other key issue is that of climate change, because climate change is affecting not only the whole world, it includes South Africa in a very bad way. And of course it's issues of peace, stability and development in the continent, and the continent is at the center of what we have to do, because issues of the African Renaissance, issues of leadership in the African continent, issues of the role of the African National Congress, as it has always had a very influential role in the African continent.
Okuzokutshejwa khulu iAfrika ngehloso yokwakha inarhakazi engcono. iANC yavuma bona abantu abatsha ephasini zombelele abahlaliseki ngobujamo obumbi bezomnotho.
Key is economic diplomacy, and key is how do we use international relations to build our economy? How do we build relations globally that can also assist in dealing with the challenges that we face in South Africa?
Endabeni amaphandle, iANC ithi izehlakalo zokusahlela kwamaphandle zibonakala zanda, kanti enye ihlangahlangano ibangelwa ngezinye inhlangano zepolitiki ezisesezincane ezifuna ukuthola abasekeli zikhona ukungenela ikhetho lango 2024. iANC ekhonferensini yemigomo izokuqala ukwakha iAfrika engcono kunye nephasini zombelele.